Hello everyone, we're here at Classic Cars of Palm Beach. Going to take a look at a new arrival. It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML 550. And we do these videos here not to hype a vehicle, but to show any blemishes or flaws that may be on the vehicle. We do a lot of out-of-state, out-of-the-area business. It helps to minimize surprises with those customers. They find it very helpful. So we're going to be looking for dents, stings, scratches, or chips. The video will do most of the work. We're going to start at the driver's side front quarter panel. So here we go. A little chipping right here. Little scratch there. And you got some chipping up on the front here. Normal wear and tear. Let's take a look at the tire and the wheel. You definitely have curb rash. Going to say over 50% remaining on the tire life. Make our way around to the front of the vehicle. The headlights look fantastic. You're going to have some chipping here between here and here. Normal wear and tear road. A little bit of scraping right here. Normal wear and tear. The hood. Passenger side front quarter panel. Take a look at the tire and the wheel. Got curb rash. Over 50% on the tire. This is the passenger side front door. A passenger side rear door. The passenger side rear quarter panel. Goes at the tire and wheel here. You have some curb rash on the wheel. I'm going to say 50% on the tire. Making our way around to the rear. You got a dent here on the bumper, and you got the silver's off. So you can definitely see it there. Got some chipping where you load and unloading the cargo. A scratch right here on the metal. Some chipping here. Let's take a look inside. See, it looks pretty good. Come around now to the driver's side rear quarter panel. Excuse me. Got some chipping. That's a little blemish there. A little scratch up here. That comes off. No problem. Let's take a look at the tire and the wheel. You have the curb rash on the wheel. Say at least 50% on the tire. Driver's side rear door. Got a chip here. Paint's off. Let's take a look in the passenger compartment. Interior looks good. The driver's front door. Chipping. Little scratch here. Here you get on the door itself, up in here, see it, it's right in here, opening and closing the door. Driver's compartment. Interior looks good. Normal, a little bit of wear and tear, but not a lot. A little bit of wear and tear in here. Let's start her up. No engine lights on other than fasten your seatbelt. A little spot there, that's on the passenger side front seat there. But it looks clean. The sunroof works fine. Again, this is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML550 here at Classic Cars of Palm Beach. And you can visit us at classiccarsofpalmbeach.com. Thank you.